Welcome back to another Ortelia Curator tutorial. In this video tutorial we're going to look at how we paint walls. The process that we're about to undertake is exactly the same for any paintable surface within Ortelia Curator, including, for example, plinths, wall partitions, shelves, etc. In order to paint a wall, the first thing we want to do is to be in the Gallery tab. And here we are with the Gallery tab on. For the sake of this video, we'll turn off the eyeline and turn off Snap. The first thing we're going to do is select the wall that we'd like to color. So here we have, by simply clicking on it with the left mouse button, the wall is highlighted. Now we have a number of choices in terms of color. One is to simply move our cursor over the palette and choose the color hue we want, and then create our wall color. So that's one. Or the other one is that we can directly enter our RGB values. So let's say we'll just give this a slight change so that we can illustrate the point. So we'll make that 23, we'll make this 150, and we'll leave that at 152. So we see that the color has changed, and what we've got is also our closest PMS value, or our closest Pantone value. So if you know your Pantone color exactly, you can always add that directly in, and that will give you the RGB as well. So you can then of course add that information to a set of notes that you can plaster on the wall. Now if it turns out this is the color that you want several walls to be, you simply click the Save button, and you'll notice now that this bottom box, which was clear, has now been colored with the same color as the one selected for the other wall. This now means we can select other walls and simply color them by clicking on that color box. And there's another one, we'll click on that, and this one here, and we'll click on that. And that's how walls are colored in Ortelia Curator. As mentioned earlier, the same process applies if you want to do it to a plinth or a shelf or anything else.